Growing your business is like going from walking a tightrope to piloting a jet. Exciting, exhilarating, and a bit daunting. Market expansion, revenue growth, strategic relationships? You can feel like juggling flaming swords. Enter Ohana Operators, a team of experienced experts from visionary startups that have become legendary companies. We are like superheroes without the capes. Our operators will help you deliver the go-to-market strategy, driving sales and optimizing costs. We unlock your success in cloud tech, health tech, fintech, cybersecurity, and energy. When we see potential, we are all in with our SPV or capital group to ensure your success. Ready to take off and grow 20, 40, 60% or more? Ohana Operators. We put rocket boosters on your growth. Visit us at OhanaOperators.com and transform your dream into reality.